What's up guys, welcome back. Today guys, I want to show you how to download SteelSeries on your PC. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. All you need to do guys, just open this site SteelSeries.com and you will see boost your game in one glorious app. Go here, free download, click on it, save installation and wait for download. After downloading SteelSeries like me, just open this installation and just wait for setup. After that you will see installation, just go here OK, go next and install on your PC. After finishing installation you will see here finish. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download SteelSeries on your PC fast and easy. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.